Big up on yourself, guys. It's your girl Chris Choreo here, and in this video we're doing high intensity interval training in honor of Pinktober. So what is this about? We're doing 5 dancehall steps in tandem with my dance hall 30-day challenge, which finishes this week. So if you did not join on, you can click the link below. It will take you right to the 30-day challenge, and you can go from day 1 till right now. Okay, so let's get right into the first step. Setting my timer. The first move we have is Beyonce Wine. So let's go. Here we go. And all I'm going to be doing is moving in Beyonce Wine up and down. Hey, ho. You can keep it down, bend the knees, and you can stretch as much as you can. But all I want you to think about is getting those knees, getting that coordination in. Okay. All right, the rest. Man, like doing that for 20 seconds, I feel like a duck. Let's go again. Here. Focus on pulling the belly button into the back of the spine. Where it will really test you is after you catch your balance and you have to do that turn. Wow! Okay, guys, so that's Beyonce Wine. Moving to the next one. So our next step is African Joke. This one is pretty simple. Here's what that looks like. Oh. For this one, I'm going to take it easy, just like this, the basic version. And then for the second or the last set of 20, I'm going to actually do it fast. Double tap. Oh, this really works the legs. Okay, 5 seconds off. Whew. Or 10 seconds. Yeah, that was 10 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Double. Here we go. Hey. The coordination for me. Woo. Moving to the next step. I'm going to take off my jacket. This is getting hot. All right. So the next step, guys, let me check my boobies, is elastic wine. Easy stuff. Here. Whew. 20 seconds. Just moving the hands like this. And of course, I'm going to do a more advanced version of elastic wine when I'm finished. Oh, Lord. Here. Remember, you can get the breakdown to all these steps by clicking the link below. Whew. To get that break in 10 seconds rest. Whew. Here we go. We're going to take it all around now. Here we go. 1. Bring it down. 2. To make sure my tatas aren't showing. No, they're not. Here. 4. I'm going to go to the other side. Here. 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 Oh my God, that was a good one. So the next move, guys, is called the TikTok. So we're going to go side, back, and side. Basic first. Here. This is really easy. Just side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Okay, we're taking a break. Now what I'm going to do is do it a little bit faster. All right, so doubling to each side. Here we go. Step. Like you need some double D40. Moving other side. Okay, moving to the next step. Now the next step is one of my favorites. I'm going to put on my jacket for this one. It's the bogle. Here we go. In honor of bogle for Pinktober. Go bogle. I'm doing 20 seconds to this side. And just in case you didn't see, my core is still engaged. I'm still putting my belly button into the back of the spine as I'm going. I'm bending that knee, pressuring that leg. Woo! Moving to the other side. Oh my Lord. I put on this because the man himself, who named Bogle, is actually full of swag, and he always wore stuff like this. He was like the Jamaican Michael Jackson back in the day, only without the white skin. The man was full of swag. Here, pull the belly button to the back of the spine. Alright guys, so this has been Pinktober's high intensity interval training in tandem with my 30-day dancehall challenge. Remember, if you have not checked it out yet, this is the final week, actually the final day, and you can go click the link down below and start from the 30-day challenge from the very beginning. Actually, we have 6 high intensity interval training. So if you enjoyed this, you can check the same playlist. They're at the bottom of the playlist for all of those, all right? Big up on yourselves. Remember why we celebrate Pinktober. It's breast cancer awareness. So even after October, still make sure you get your frequent checkups. There are videos all over the internet on how to do self-checks. Check your boobies, check yourself, even if it's not for yourself. If you're one of those women who would prefer to not know, do it for your family, do it for your loved ones. All right, guys, love y'all. See you tomorrow or whenever again I see you, okay? Love you.